3D-10D AI DNN Engine, Cognitive Cube. Multidimensional Cognitive Intelligence Framework. Welcome to the official overview of the 3D-10D AI DNN Engine, Cognitive Cube, an advanced multidimensional cognitive intelligence framework developed as part of the NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Enterprise, Research Initiative. The Cognitive Cube explores a structured approach to artificial intelligence by extending traditional deep neural network, DNN, architectures into multiple cognitive dimensions that integrate perception, contextual reasoning, knowledge intelligence, decision intelligence, adaptive learning, enterprise memory, governance, and policy-aware intelligence. Unlike conventional AI systems that primarily process information through linear computational layers, the Cognitive Cube introduces a conceptual multidimensional intelligence model where each dimension contributes a specialized cognitive capability while interacting seamlessly with the others. This framework is designed to support transparent, explainable, governance-driven, and enterprise-ready artificial intelligence capable of addressing complex decision-making challenges across government, healthcare, finance, education, manufacturing, research, and other enterprise domains. The 3D-10D AI DNN engine serves as a complementary component of the broader NeuroGov Plus ecosystem, working alongside the AI Mind, Enterprise AI Framework, Policy Engine, 63 Engine Architecture, and other intelligent modules to create a unified cognitive enterprise platform. Through intelligent orchestration, contextual understanding, and adaptive learning, the Cognitive Cube enables richer knowledge representation, improved reasoning accuracy, enhanced decision intelligence, and scalable enterprise automation. Within this section, Dr. Suri will explore the following key topics. Introduction to the Cognitive Cube, understanding the vision, objectives, and conceptual foundation of the 3D-10D AI DNN engine. 3D cognitive intelligence, foundational perception, structured intelligence, and intelligent information representation. 4D context intelligence, context-aware reasoning and adaptive understanding across enterprise environments. 5D temporal intelligence, time-aware analysis, predictive reasoning, historical learning, and future scenario evaluation. 6D knowledge intelligence, semantic knowledge integration, knowledge graphs, enterprise memory, and intelligent knowledge management. 7D decision intelligence, explainable decision support, strategic reasoning, risk assessment, and enterprise recommendations. 8D memory intelligence, persistent AI memory, contextual retrieval, long-term learning, and organizational knowledge continuity. 9D adaptive intelligence, continuous learning, optimization, self-improvement, and intelligent behavioral adaptation. 10D cognitive integration, unified orchestration of all cognitive dimensions into a coherent enterprise intelligence framework. Governance and trust, integration of AI governance, responsible AI, policy enforcement, transparency, security, compliance, and ethical intelligence. Enterprise applications, practical deployment across government, healthcare, finance, education, manufacturing, smart enterprises, and research organizations. Future research vision, ongoing research into multidimensional cognitive architectures, advanced enterprise intelligence, autonomous AI systems, and next-generation governance-driven artificial intelligence. Together, these sections present the 3D-10D AI DNN engine, Cognitive Cube, as an innovative research framework that extends conventional deep neural networks into a comprehensive multidimensional cognitive architecture. By combining perception, reasoning, memory, knowledge, learning, governance, and enterprise intelligence, the Cognitive Cube contributes to the long-term vision of NeuroGov Plus, developing transparent, explainable, trustworthy, adaptive, and enterprise-ready artificial intelligence capable of supporting sustainable digital transformation and responsible innovation across modern organizations. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri.